Presenting a pre-owned 2010 Harley-Davidson Touring. 2010 Custom Street Glide. This bagger has a 1690cc engine. This Harley-Davidson is a great value with less than 16,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition, has glossy original paint, has no scratches, dents, or rust, and has been fully detailed. 2010 Custom Street Glide, Garage Kept, Firefighter Edition, Kenwood sounds, beautifully accented with diamond cut motor and horn cover, chrome, chrome, chrome everywhere you look. Stage 3 kit, custom high-flow exhaust, custom high-flow air cleaner, extended kickstand, painted to match lowers, custom chrome GPS or smartphone handlebar caddy, glove compartment lowers, chrome crash bars, chrome apes, highway pegs, rider and passenger pegs to match, custom spoked wheels. Only 15808 miles and more. Financing available, good credit or bad. Call Marc for details at 954-279-6619. Warranty coverage available too. Only $18,999. See us at www.bigtwinusa.com.